So how'd you build that gaming PC?
Well, funny enough, I actually didn't build it. We actually had Zach and McAllister build this one because Corsair is making pretty cool build kits now, and Corsair offers a lot of components, so 3 different levels you can choose from. We got the middle of the range one, which is the Pro, and it's pretty sick, and we've got a 3070 and a 12th gen CPU under this cooler, so this thing was pretty high end. I mean, it's better than what we're rocking.
So yeah, if you want to see the full video of our employees struggling through this PC build, go to the Toasted Bros YouTube channel because it is an entertaining one.